Hello everyone and welcome to this brand new channel called Lindsay Budgies. This is Lindsay speaking, and I guess that most of you know me from my previous channels, from the main one, and I want to welcome all of you, my old friends but also my new friends that are watching this video and are subscribing to my channel, and also giving a thumbs up to my brand new video because this is the first one. It's going to be a little bit long actually because this is my first one, and I want to explain to you what I'm going to do on this channel. But also don't worry, because I'm not going to post these videos that are always these kind of videos that are going to be long. Some of them are going to be like less long than this one, so don't worry about that. As you can see over here, my channel banner says Lindsay Budget Corner. So this is going to be like my budget corner, where I'm going to talk about how you can just manage your budget, how you can save money, how you can create an online business, how you can make some extra money online, and so on and so forth. As you can see, my slogan, budgeting by day and keen YouTuber by night. So I'm going to also show you how you can create a YouTube channel, how you can start in YouTube as a beginner, and what are the main components that you need to know where you are creating and starting a YouTube channel and when you want to become a YouTuber. So today it's going to be a very special video, as I said before, because it's going to be very long and I want to just explain to you the most important things. I'm going to talk to you about how you can create your first YouTube video. So I'm going to talk about also about how you can create thumbnails, how you can create the profile picture of a YouTube channel, and also how you can create a YouTube banner, because these are like some of the most important components when you create your account for the first time. You want to give it a name, of course, you want to give it the slogan, but also you need to create a logo for your profile picture, but also YouTube banner, and you need to know how to create thumbnails, because they are the most important part when you create a video. You need to put a very nice looking thumbnail so you can just attract people in clicking into your video, and also you're going to get more subscribers beside more views. And it's going to be very important for also your monetization. If you go over to YouTube and search for YouTube monetization, you're going to see here that in order to start earning money directly from YouTube, creators must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours in the past year. Once they reach the threshold, they can apply for YouTube's partner program, which allows them to start monetizing. So also, if you go over to YouTube channel monetization policies, which is over at YouTube Help, you're going to see here that what they check when they review your channel. So they check the main theme, so what are you going to talk about in your YouTube channel, your most viewed videos, the newest videos, the biggest proportion of watch time, and also video metadata, which includes titles, thumbnails, and description. So thumbnails are very important when reviewing your channel, so it's going to be important in the monetization process. That's why I'm going to talk to you how you can create those thumbnails, and also some logos, and your YouTube channel banner. So if you go over to YouTube home, you're going to see over here that some of the videos have like a thumbnail created. As you can see, they have put some words in it, some sentences and so on, but some of them are just like a picture from the actual video. So you're going to see here that thumbnails are very important when you click on a video, because it just attracts you if you want to just click on a video, or if you are interested in watching that kind of video. And thumbnail do that by just attracting you and clicking in that video. If you see here, you have like a thumbnail from Mr. Beast, and if you open it up, you're going to see that this is like the second account of Mr. Beast, this Mr. Beast Gaming. So you're going to see that he creates a thumbnail for each of his videos, so it creates a thumbnail related to the game that he's playing. So these thumbnails look pretty good actually, and very entertaining and funny. So that's why it's very important to create a thumbnail, so you can attract more people into clicking into it. And you need to create some very nice looking thumbnails. So for this purpose today, I'm going to show you on a website that's going to help you to do that. But first of all, I want to remind all of you to just subscribe to our channel Lindsay Budgets with notifications on, so I want you to get notified each time I'm going to upload a brand new video, and you can be one of the first to watch it. And of course, give this video a thumbs up to support me, and leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video, but also what do you want to watch in the other videos. So something that is going to be related, of course, to the main topics and also the main subject of this YouTube channel. So let's start with the first website for today, which is going to help us create those YouTube thumbnails, YouTube banners, and also those logos. And this platform is going to be Canva. This is over at canva.com. I guess that most of you have known about Canva before, but for those of you who don't, Canva is the platform that people come to just create designs. But actually Canva helps you because they offer you even some already made templates. So you can choose from the templates that Canva gives you in order to create a design, or you can create it from scratch. So you're going to see here that they offer like different categories from invitation, presentation, video, Instagram post, poster, logo, Facebook post, flyer, infographic, Instagram story, resume, and so on and so forth. So you can start inspired with thousands of professional templates, just like I mentioned before, images and quality content to choose from. So you can just choose from those templates and you can just customize them however you want. You can collaborate with ease. You can even invite people to edit with you or set your whole team up in Canva Pro to manage those brand assets, leave feedback. So this is also perfect for those who want to work in group and create those designs for their business. For example, you can share with pride, whether you're presenting, downloading, or sharing, or printing. You're going to enjoy seeing your work there. So you have a lot of templates over here. You can work solo or as a team, as you can see, and I mentioned even before, they offer team folders. You can plan, create, schedule, and publish your social media posts directly from Canva, which is something that I really love about it. Then you can see that you have real-time collaboration across countries, companies, and departments, and also built-in comments to communicate, work, and resolve suggestions in real time. So this is one of the perfect websites to use in order to create different designs, and also you're going to see that you can work in team. So if you go over here, you can have different designs from social media and video, and you have like also subcategories for each of these categories. You have Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, video editor. Then you have the category marketing with other subcategories like business cards, flyers, logos, posters, brochures, menus. You have office here, like presentations, resumes, graphs, planners, and so on. Custom prints, so you can custom t-shirts if you want to, canvas prints, custom mugs, photo books, and so on, and also card and invitations, so you can create like invitations for your birthday, for example, postcards, greeting cards, and so on. So as you can see over here, you can click on templates to watch all of them, but you have also some features that are very important mentioning. You're going to see that you can download Canva for Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So you can even use a desktop version just like I'm doing, but you can also download it on your smartphone, and you can use it from your smartphone, which is pretty good actually. So you can even learn from Canva. They offer some courses, tutorials, and blogs, but I'm going to just give you a tutorial today on my own. You have the plans here, and as you can see, if you click on it, you're going to see that Canva offers some plans: the free one, the pro one, enterprise one. So the free one is of course $0, and you're going to see what it includes. You have like 5 gigabytes of cloud storage. You have more than 250,000 of free templates. You have like more than 100 of design types. We have hundreds of thousands of free photos and graphics. You can invite members to your team, and you can collaborate and comment in real time. So this is perfect for you if you want to become a YouTuber, you want to create some thumbnails. This is perfect for you to use the free plan. You have also here the pro plan, and they offer much more. You have everything for free, plus all of the other things here, like more than 100 million of premium stock photos, videos, audio and graphics. You have like more than 600,000 of premium and free templates with new designs daily. You have a lot more cloud storage. You have also here this feature that you can remove image background instantly with background remover and so on. So they include a lot of other things. And the enterprise one has everything that Pro has that we saw right now, plus these other features over here, like unlimited storage. You have control team uploads into Canva. So there are a lot of other things over here. And you're going to see that Canva is trusted by a lot of big companies, and you have some frequently asked questions over here that you can use if you can read if you want to learn more about it. But the most important part is that you can use it even for absolutely free, and you can create some designs for you. So I'm going to show you something else that about Canva. So as we saw before, if you go over to design over here, you have some custom prints. So if you go over to custom mugs, you're going to see here a lot of thumbnails and even how they look on mugs. So if you click on one of it, for example on this one, it's going to take you over to the editor page, and you're going to see how that design looks on a mug. So if you want to, you can download it, and of course you can get it on a mug. So it's very simple actually, and this applies also for the t-shirts over here, for stickers and so on. You can even see how design can look on a t-shirt if you want the design to just implement it on a t-shirt. So this is a great feature actually, and I love it that I can see how it looks like, and also I can customize it however I want, and then I can download it for absolutely free, because as you can see I'm using a free template. So this was about this particular feature of Canva. Right now I'm going to proceed with the first design that we are going to create together, and that is going to be a logo design. So I'm going over to Canva home once again, and what you can do is to just click on logo over here, or you can just write on select logo here. So once you click over here, it's going to take you over to the editor page where all the miracles happen. So this is the part and the most important part, that you're going to just be careful and attentive, so you can see how Canva works and how you can use it in order to create your own design. So first of all, of course, you can create your design from scratch in this blank logo size. So you can even find a template over here that you can choose from. You have free, but also the ones that are paid, so you need to pay for them. So what you can do over here first of all is that you can search for the logo template. So you can give it a name, like if you want to find a keyword related to something that your YouTube channel is going to be about, you can write it over there. It's going to give you some templates related to that. For example, you want to write finance because you want that YouTube channel to be about finance, you can write it over here, and you can choose your logo over here related to that. So before I show you how you can create that, I'm going to give you a presentation of it. So beside templates that you can choose over here, and you have each category, you can even choose elements. So you can add your own elements, the one that you want to add in your design. And you have from Christmas, rectangle, paper, circle, so you can search for anything that comes in your mind, as you can see over here, and you just need to put a keyword to see a particular icon or element or a graphic or photo or video, because here in the elements part, whatever you choose from is going to give you a graphic, it's going to give you an audio, a video, photo, just like it's doing here. So this is about elements. This is the best part and my favorite part actually, because the elements are the most important part when you create a design, because you want to add different things on it. You have here uploads. You can upload different images, videos or audio track to get started from your own computer or smartphone. So you have to upload your own videos and photos, so it depends on you. You just need to click on the upload button. You have photos here, so you can choose photos that are here from Canva. You have free but also the pro ones. You can search millions of photos, just put a keyword over here. You have like 90 million premium images, free for 30 days, but also you have the free one that you can use whenever you want. Then you have the text over here, and you can see that you can add a heading, you can add a subheading and a little bit of body text, but also you have some font combinations. You're going to see over here that you have a lot of them. Actually, they have been created by Canva itself. And for example, if you want to use one of these, you can just click on it, and then once you click on it, you can customize it once again if you want to. You have here the font first of all that you can choose from, and you have a lot of them that are for absolutely free. You can just put it the size however you want. You can change the color of it. You're going to see over here that you have the bold and italic, which are not available for this kind of font, but also they are available for other ones, so it depends of the font. You have here the alignment, you have here the list if you want to make it like it. You have here letter spacing, line spacing, and this one anchor text box. You have effects, so you're going to see here that the text can have different effects. It depends on you how you want to make it. So you have a lot of things actually that you can do. You can even animate it, and let me show you the animation process. You can add a lot of animation, the one that you want. This depends if you want to create like a video or a presentation with Canva. Also, you're going to see over here that you have page animations but also text animations. So even if you put some icons over here, some elements, you can animate them if you want to, and also you can animate even the text. So this is pretty much about the text. I'm going to delete this for now. You have audio here. This is of course if you want to create a presentation or a video, and you can search audio for with a keyword, and you have also some suggestions over here, and you have some free and pro one of course. You have videos. You have a lot of videos here with high definition, and you have like the category of it, but you can also search for videos, and you can even upload them by your own. Of course, you have the background here, you have some background pictures, but also the background colors up here. Even if you click on your design on the background, you can change the background by your own by giving it some of these colors, but also you can choose your own color over here. And then you have some more styles and charts over here that you can choose from, so you can even create some charts, and you can customize them however you want. It depends on what you're doing. So what I'm going to show you right now is how to create a logo. I'm going to delete this one for the moment, and as I said before, you can go over to templates and search for the template that you want. You can search for a particular category. Of course, you have a lot of them here, so also it depends on what your channel is going to be about, because if you want to create like a profile picture for your YouTube channel, you can come over to Canva to create it, and that's why I'm saying it depends on your channel. So for example, as we said before, you can search for finance. You're going to see that Canva even helps you by suggesting you your recent searches. You're going to click finance, and you can just select one of these logos over here. You have the pro ones, but also some for absolutely free. And once you go through all of them, you can find one that you like, and for example, I'm going with this one right here. So you just have to click on it, and once you do so, you can just customize it however you want. So if you click on the background, you can change the color of it like this. If you want to, like for example, change the text of it because you want to add your own text, you can add it. For example, you can put the name of your YouTube channel over there. For example, I'm going over to my YouTube channel. I'm going to copy to save time, and then I'm just going to paste it right here. So it's going to look like this. Then you have this slogan here. I can write my own, of course. I can say, for example, budgeting by day, keen YouTuber by night, and I'm going to just write it over here. And I can even just change it a little bit because I want another size, so it can look like this. It can be more visible. So once you do so, you can even change the icon, of course. So you can delete this one and you can put another one, and you can go over to elements for that. After that, you can search for finance here or even budget, and you can just browse through all of these different photos, graphics, videos and audios. I'm interested in graphics actually, and you can choose one of these right here. So you need to be a little bit attentive to choose the ones that are for absolutely free, because if you choose the one that is a pro one, you're going to see also the Canva watermark over here. So if you want to remove the watermarks, you're going to pay for that. That's why I suggest you select the free ones. For example, you want to go with this graphic, which is free, as you can see. If you click on it, it's going to look like this. You can resize it a little bit and you can put it like that. So in very simple steps and minutes, you can create a design like this. It depends on what you want to create, of course, and also on your YouTube channel. If you want to change this a little bit, you can change it, the color of it, so it depends on you, on your favorite color, and also on your preferences. So it's going to look like this, and once you create your design, you can just click on the download button and then on download. It's going then to be immediately downloaded on your computer like this. You can open it up and here it is. It looks pretty good actually. And something that I want to mention is that if you want to save your design on your account, so you can just have it and use it another time, so you can even customize it. You're going to have an account and you need to create that account, and you're going to find that design that you created on your account on Canva. So you can create it by continuing with Google, with Facebook, or with Apple, which is a lot faster and a lot easier, or you can continue with your email address manually by putting your email address and then click on continue, and you're going to see that your design is going to be saved in your account, and also your searches and everything that you search, or elements, or what you have uploaded, and so on and so forth. So this is how you create a logo design. This is pretty good actually, and you can try it on your own. Something that I want to show you right now is how to create a YouTube banner. This is also called like YouTube channel art, because you need this in order for your channel to look more professional. And what you can do is that you can go over once again to canva.com, and you can search here on the search bar for YouTube, and you need to select the YouTube channel art. So if you want to create the YouTube channel logo, you can even click on this. It's about the profile picture. So just click here on YouTube channel art, and it's with the particular size that the YouTube channel art requires. So you're going to see that over at Paint, because we used to do our thumbnails with Paint before Canva, you're going to see that we didn't know how to create the specific size of YouTube channel banner, so we just did it on our own. But here on Canva, they have the specific sizes of a YouTube channel banner, and that is going to help you a lot. So what you can do over here, of course, is to search for templates, and you have also a lot of templates over here that are related to the category that your YouTube channel is going to be in. For example, it's going to be about gaming, you can select one of these, or you can even search in the search bar. If it's going to be about makeup, you can select this one. And you have a lot of other things here, so it depends on the category that your YouTube channel is going to be about. So for example, I have a YouTube channel related to makeup tutorials, and I'm going to just customize it related to my own preferences. So what I can do is to just delete this one, because I want to put another picture, for example. And then I'm just going to select like in the elements, I'm going to select like makeup. And then you're going to see that they offer a lot of graphics, but you have also photos over here, so I want you to just choose that. And after that, what you can do is to choose one of these photos. Of course, you're going to see here that you have a lot of them actually, and for example, you want to go with this one, you can just drag it and you need to just let it here, and it's going to look like this. It's pretty simple actually. You can do it with your favorite photo over here. I'm just going to give you like an example. You can either get this one, but this is a pro one, so we want one that it's absolutely free. So once you do so, you can even change like the name of it, because you want the name of your channel. So I'm going to just get it once again. I'm going to copy this. I'm going over to my here once again, and then I'm going to just paste my YouTube channel name, and it's going to look like this. It says here that you uploads every Wednesday and Friday. You can do the same thing. You can even put like your slogan, just like I did in the previous design, and it's going to look pretty much like this. And I love it actually. And I'm going to let it like this. But what you can do else is that you can change the colors of the background. So if you click on it, you're going to see that you can put however you want it. So just select one, and it's going to change like the shades of that, and I really love this. So I'm just going to select, for example, this one right here, because I think that it goes pretty well with the picture that I put it before. So like this, you can create like a YouTube channel banner. It's going to be very easy. I showed you how you can create it from an already made template, and you're going to have your unique one because you change it, the font of the text of it, you change it like the picture and also the colors. And once you're done, of course, you're going to download it for absolutely free on your computer, and I'm going to show you how it's going to look like. So you just click on that, and you can see here it's being downloaded on my computer, and it's going to look like this. Then you're going to your YouTube channel, you're going to upload it over here, and it's going to look pretty good actually. So I'm going to close this right now, and I'm going over once again to my design here. So what I wanted to show you right now is that you need also to create a YouTube thumbnail, which was like the main topic for us today. I wanted to show you how to create that because, as I showed you before, for the monetization, YouTube reviews, also your thumbnails. So I'm going to show you how you can create them, and since this is like a tutorial on how to create a thumbnail, that thumbnail is going to be on how to create a thumbnail actually. So what I'm going to do once again is to go over to Canva. You can search here for a YouTube thumbnail as it says right here. So Canva helps you a lot with the suggestions, and I'm going to just you can just like select one of these here from these templates. They have a lot of them, and also related to the category that your video is going to be in. Of course, you have like music, food, beauty, tutorial, travel, live stream, and also all the results. So these are all the thumbnails that they offer. So for example, you want to go with this one, and you want to change it a little bit. I'm going to delete some parts of this because I want to make it for my own. And for example, you can even remove this gradient right now. So I'm going to just remove it a little bit, and it's going to look like this. I really love it. So if you want like a background like this, you can go over to elements and you can search for gradient as I did, and you can see here that they have and offer a lot of them. For example, this is like a similar one to the one that I have right now. So what you can do over here is that you can write something like how to create a YouTube thumbnail, because this is what this video is about, and how I want to write how to create thumbnails. So it's going to look like this. You can even search like here for different fonts. If you don't like this one, you have a lot of suggestion over here, and you're going to see and select the one that you like, of course. And once you do so, I want to remove the underline by just selecting the text, going over to the three dots, and I'm going to remove the underline. So it's going to look pretty much like this. And then if you want to, you can just select the text once again, go over to effects, and I'm going to give it the echo effect. I'm going to choose here the color black, so it can give it like a type of shadow, and the text is going to be more visible like this, in my opinion, of course. Then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to search for Canva, because as you can see, I'm showing you a tutorial on how to create a thumbnail on Canva. So I'm searching for Canva. As you can see here, it shows like a lot of different graphics and photos related to Canva. So that's why you can search for anything over here. And then you're going to just put like another text. In my opinion, you can go over to text over here, and then you can go over add subheading, and I'm going to just write something like full tutorial. I'm going to get this text, resize it a little bit like this. I'm going to put it right here, Canva is reminding me to always create an account over here, but I have one actually, but I wanted to show you how you can do this even by not having an account, and also that you need to create one, because if you want to have all of your designs in one place. So once you do so, you can even put another font if you want to, but I'm going to leave it like this for the moment. You can change like the text of the color of it. I don't like it to be all black, so I can change it a little bit, as you can see over here. And I'm going to leave it, for example, like this for the moment. And then you can add like the YouTube icon, because this is related to YouTube, of course. I'm searching for YouTube over there. You can see over here that it also shows a lot of graphics related to YouTube. You can select this one, for example, and you can leave it like this. And then what I need you to search, or what I'm going to search, is like create, since we are creating this one, and I really like this one here, so I'm going to select it, and I think I'm going to put it like this. And also I want like a click, like a hand that it's clicking, for example this one right here, and I'm going to just leave it like that. So this is how it's going to look like. This is like we can create on a thumbnail. It's pretty simple actually, and I just showed you how you can do this, how you can add text, how you can change the color of the text, how you can also put some icons over here. You can go over to elements and then to graphics. You can search for anything that you want. You can even filter your searches for static, because you don't want an animated one, you want a thumbnail. You can create you can search for anything that comes in your mind. It's going to be pretty simple actually. So this is how you're going to create your thumbnail. Of course, you can put a little bit more time and effort into this, and also depends on what your video is going to be about. Then you're going to go over to the download button, just click over to it, and of course it's going to be immediately downloaded on your computer, just like this. You can open it up to see how it looks like, so you're going to see it looks pretty well. And what you can also do is to just go over to your YouTube channel, and once you're going to upload your first YouTube video, you're going to just upload also your thumbnail that you created, so your video can look more appealing and can attract more people to click on it, and you can get more viewers and of course more subscribers. So I've just showed you how you can create your YouTube channel banner, how you can create like a YouTube thumbnail, but also I showed you how you can create a logo. And you can learn more about this even by exploring it by yourself. That's why I did how I did it. And you can create a lot of designs over here. You just need to have a little bit of imagination, but also Canva helps you a lot with that. Something else that I want to show you is that there are like some ways to make money with Canva, and the first one is that Canva offers like an affiliate program. So I found it at the end of the page, and I just selected affiliate program, as you can see. And you're going to see here that they pay you if you refer people into here, and they go for the Canva Pro program or plan, because of course if they pay Canva by using Canva, Canva is going to help you by referring them. So you can register as an affiliate over here. You can be among the first to earn revenue for referring new Canva Pro users. That's why I mentioned it before. It's going to be free for you to join, and no fees and no minimum sales. You're going to promote Canva, of course, and then you're going to start earning. And you're going to start earning up to $36 for each new Canva Pro subscriber that signs up with your unique referral link. So they offer regular and flexible payment options as well. So it's pretty good actually to find people that want to create on Canva and to use Canva, and you can get paid for that $36. And I really love their affiliate program. That's why I'm showing it to you, so you can use it and you can get paid in passive income. So you're just going to find people that are going to be interested in Canva and you're purchasing a plan from Canva, so you can start getting paid again and again. They are going to support you every step of the way, so you don't need to worry about that. They help you to succeed. As an affiliate, you'll get free access to all of the tools that you need in order to promote Canva Pro, and you're going to earn top commissions. It's simply, you're going to get paid in time via PayPal or e-transfer, as you can see over here. So I really like the fact that they pay you through PayPal. You're going to see here they offer priority support, and you can also track your results because you're going to have your own dashboard, so you can get started once immediately actually. And something else that I want to mention about Canva is that they are being visited by more than 300 of millions of people, and it's huge actually, and this is according to similarweb.com. So there are a lot of people who love Canva and use it, and you can find a lot more actually because of all the features that they offer, and also because of their popularity, because this shows that Canva is a big and a potential platform, and people are going to love it, and they can try it through your affiliate link, and you can get paid again and again, and also in passive income. That's why I'm suggesting you to just try it for now, because it's absolutely free and you can earn money, passive income. You don't have anything to lose. So the other way that you can make money with Canva, because I said that you have some methods that you can take advantage of, is that if you go over to this other platform, which is called Redbubble.com, you're going to see that here you can buy different things with different products with different designs on it. You have like mugs, t-shirts, you have like pillows, art, all art, clothing, masks, and everything. And the thing is that in order to make money over here, you need to go over to sell your art, and you can understand more about this over here. What you can do is that you can create some designs, and then you can just upload them over to Redbubble, and then Redbubble is going to take care of the rest. They are going to implement your design in all of the products that they have, and whenever someone buys a product with your design in it, you're going to get paid again and again. And you're going to see that all the process here, but also where the most important part is that you can use Canva in order to do those designs, and you can get paid again and again. And what you can do is to go over even to just designs over here, and you're going to see here the custom prints, but also you can create a design like the logo that I showed you before, and you can download it for absolutely free, and you can just upload your design over to Redbubble, and you can make a lot of money by uploading those designs. And this is like a pretty good way to get paid by using Canva for absolutely free, and also signing up to Redbubble for absolutely free. So this was like a second way to make money with Canva, and you can use Canva for everything actually. So what I want to show you right now, beside all of the things that I showed you that you can do with Canva, are some other things which are very important and related to creating your first YouTube video, but also creating your YouTube channel. Because as I said before, if you want to create your YouTube channel and you want to start just creating videos, putting some thumbnails and so on, you need to know how to create those videos. And for that, you need first of all to know like video editing software. And I've searched here on Google for top 5 video editing softwares, and of course it's giving you a lot of results that you can find and you can use in order to edit your videos, because you can just film a video, or you can record a video here, and you need to edit it before you upload it over to your YouTube channel, of course. You can even open up all the articles that Google gives you, and you're going to see over here that they offer the best ones, their features, their prices, and so on and so forth. So what I use for this purpose to edit my YouTube videos is Vegas Pro, and I want to show you how it looks like. Just let it open for a little bit. So This is over at Vegas Pro. You're going to see how it looks like. It's not complicated, I want to mention that. So what you need to do is that you're going to upload your video over here, and your files are going to be up here, and you're going to edit that in the down here. So you're just going to like select the parts that you don't want, and you're going to delete them, you're going to trim that, and then you're going to just create a whole new project. In this part here, you're going to see all of your videos. So this is going to be the image part. You're going to see everything over here, and also you're going to listen to the audio. It depends on you if you want to talk by yourself just like I'm doing right now, or if you want to like just do not talk but just click on it, because it depends on what you are going to create on your YouTube video. And once you do so, you can of course save it, and also you can just save it and upload it to your YouTube channel, of course. And in order to like record your YouTube video, if you want to just do it just like I'm doing right now, you can go over to Google once again and search for top 5 screen recorders for PC. It's going to give you a lot of results like Screencast-O-Matic, Async or ScreenFlow, and so on and so forth. Once again, what you can do is open up articles, read about the best one of them, their features and so on. But also I'm going to recommend you one which is this one here called Bandicam. This is over at bandicam.com. As you can see, you can record everything on your PC. You can download it for absolutely free, because I wanted to give one for you that is free, so you don't need to pay, because you may be a beginner and you want to start for free. That's why I showed you Canva that you can use for absolutely free. You can also find some softwares that are for free, but also Bandicam. You can screen record for any occasion, so it depends on you on what you want to just record. So it depends on what you want to talk about. If you want to talk about like finance tips, and you're going to open up some websites about that, and you're going to talk about that, and then get a recording of all of the screen. So you're going to see that you can screen record, you have game recording, device recording, and so on. You can even see all the main features of Bandicam over here, and some other screenshots, so you can see how it works. You can also come over here to learn more about it, but also to learn more how to use it. So you're going to do the same thing once you just upload them on this on those editors. You're going to get your screen recorder, you're going to come over to your software editor like this, because they look pretty much the same actually. You're going to edit it, and then you're going to just like save it on your computer, and then upload it over to your YouTube channel. Then of course you're going to give it the thumbnail that I showed you previously how to create it. So right now I'm going to proceed with another platform that also is going to help you when you're going to create those thumbnails or those videos and so on. So let's proceed with the next one. And this one here is called Pexels. This is over at pexels.com, as you can see over here. This is like the best free stock photos, royalty-free images and videos shared by creators. So here you can find a lot of videos, photos for absolutely free. You can download them for free, and you can also use them on other websites without facing any copyright issues. And this is the best part about it. And you can use them however you want. So what you can do is that you can even search like on Google for free images if you want to. So it's going to give you like a lot of similar websites to Pexel, like Shutterstock, like Unsplash, Pixabay, and also you can see Pexels over here in the first page of Google. So this is a pretty good website, that's why I suggest you use this one. What you can do over here is to search like for everything that comes in your mind, but also relate it to what your video is going to be about and so on. So if you want to search for money, you're going to write it over here, and then you're going to just click enter, and then it's going to give you all of these images that you can of course download for absolutely free, and I'm going to show you that. So if you like this one, for example, just click on it. You're going to see over here that this is free to use. The most important part, you have here the size that you can choose, and also you can download it for absolutely free. So I just clicked on it, and it's being immediately downloaded on my computer. So this is how it looks like, and I'm going to close this one. You can do the same thing with all of the other ones. Just click on free download, and you can download as much as you want. So what I want to show you other than that is that you can even find videos for this keyword for money, and if you open them up, you're going to just see them how they look. You're going to see that they also are free to use, and you can use them, for example, if you want like to create an intro for your YouTube video, because when you are creating a video you want something to be shown in the screen, and you can use it for that intro. Because if you want to just talk like how to make money online, for example, you can use this one once you're talking like about that video. You're going to download this, and you can also upload it on your editor software, just like you're going to upload that screen recorder. You're going to also upload that video from Pexels, for example, and you can implement it into your project, into your video. So it's going to be this simple, it's going to be very easy. If you want to, you can even search for YouTube, for example. Let me write it once again like this. You can search for YouTube, it's going to give you a lot of videos related to that. So if you see the first one, it says like subscribe like this, and you can, it may be needed for your YouTube channel, for example. Of course, for that intro, you're going to see that it's free to use, and you can just click on free download, and as you can see, it's being downloaded on my computer. It's pretty easy actually, and the best part about this is that it's absolutely free, and also you don't have to worry because you won't face any copyright issues. So what I want to show you right now is something else. If you go over to YouTube right now and search for being financially independent, for example, you're going to see here that it's going to show you a lot of videos related to that. And you're going to see here that there are some pretty easy videos, pretty simple. You're going to see like this image or video of money over here, and some of them are using those videos that I showed you over at Pexels. And what you can do is that you can do the same. You can take different videos from Pexels related to that. So I'm going to search money once again over here, and you can just select and download different videos related to that, and you can just talk in the meantime once these videos are displayed, and you can create a video like this. So it depends on you, of course, on what you want to your first video or even other videos to be about. You can of course search for that keyword here in this section. If you write finance, for example, it's going to give you other videos related to that. So it's pretty simple to use actually, and you can also learn how to use those editor softwares, and they are pretty easy to use. Of course, you can see even tutorials on YouTube, because I don't want to prolong this video by explaining to you how you can use this software, because I don't know first of all what software you want to use. So something else that I want to show you that is going to be very important is, like, for example, how you can create like a YouTube banner from scratch. I showed you before how to create the YouTube banner, for example, related to a makeup. Let me find it a little bit. This is it. So I showed you how you can create this one from a template that is already done from Canva, but I want you to also show how you can create one from scratch, because it maybe you don't like one of those templates and you want to create one, just like I've done with mine over here at my YouTube channel banner. So I'm going to just recreate the one a little bit. I'm going to replicate this one. So I'm going to go over to Canva once again, and I'm going to search here for YouTube channel art, of course. After that, what you can do over here is that you have it blank, of course, so you can start from blank. Go over to elements, and as you can see over here, this is how it look like, the photo. So I'm going to search for a photo like that, and I'm going to search, for example, a right, and then I'm going to go over to photos. As you can see, these are some similar photos to the one that I have on my YouTube banner. So for example, if you want, you can go with one of these. It depends on you. Let's go with this one, for example, that it looks like this. After that, what you can do is that you're going to add like this shape right here. So let's go once again over to our elements, and you have the shapes here. Select this one, and of course you can customize it however you want. You can give it like another color, for example this one here or this one here. So it depends on you on how you want it to look like. For example, I'm just going to leave it like this. I want this color, and then you can resize it however you want. Then all you can do is to write about your channel. So the name of the channel, it depends. I'm going to write this one, Lindsay's Budget Corner. So I'm going once again over here, and then over to text, go over to add heading, and then you're going to write Lindsay. I written also only Lindsay budget because I wanted to just replicate it. I don't want to make it the same, so I've written only Lindsay budget, and I'm going to just like change the color because I don't want to leave it black. So I'm going to click on the text, then go over to colors over here, and I can just write it however I want. For example, like this. Let me show you a little bit all of the colors that they offer. For example, I can leave it like this. Then I can put like an icon next to that, just like it's shown over to my YouTube channel banner, and I'm going to search for budget over here. And it's also, this is the icon that I've used on my previous one, so I can use another one if I want to. I can even write for money, for example, and you can see a lot of them actually. I'm going to use, for example, this one right here. It looks like this. I can flip it horizontal or vertical. So there are a lot of elements here and features of Canva that I love. So I may even change this a little bit because I'm not liking the color of the shapes. I can leave it like this, for example. And other than that, I can write this my slogan down here. So I can go over to text once again, and what I need to do is to click on add subheading. Then I'm going to write like budgeting by day, keen YouTuber by night. Going to look like this, and I'm going to resize it a little bit, and I'm going to leave it like this. So this is how I've created this one right here. Of course, you can change the colors of it. You can make it more visible, but it's not going to look like this. As you can see, it's going to look only a part of that channel banner. So that's how you create one, how you can even replicate one, of course. And the thing is that you can also get some ideas from similar YouTube channels that you are going to create your YouTube channel about. Because if you are creating YouTube channel about makeup, you can go over to YouTube channel related to makeup, and you can see what banner they are using, so you can create a similar one just like I did right now. So I'm going to change it a little bit. I'm going to add another element because I want to show you something else. So if you go over to shapes once again and you want to put this on white, so you can put it even right there, and then you're going over to position, and you can write back, you can click backwards. So whenever you want to add some elements and you want them to be like inside one of these shapes, you need to click on the position one over here, and you can select backward, top, middle, bottom. So it depends on you. As I said before, Canva has a lot of features. You can explore it even by yourself, so you can see how you can make it work. But also you can even just watch this tutorial how many times you want in order to see how I've done all of this. I've created my logo and so on and so forth. So this was pretty much all about it. I want to mention once again that YouTube thumbnails are very important when you are creating a YouTube video, because the YouTube thumbnail is the one that is the video thumbnail, of course, is one that is going to be the first thing that your viewers are going to see. And if that is very good looking, actually it's going to attract more people to click on your video so they can see what your video is about. So it's very important to create a very nice looking YouTube thumbnail, and that's why I created this video today. But also I showed you other things. And the most important thing is that about the YouTube monetization. So what you need to do in order to get started to make money with YouTube. I showed you that you need like 1,000 of subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year, and also you need to see what YouTube checks and reviews on your channel, like the main theme, most viewed videos, newest videos. You have like the biggest proportion of watch time, and also video metadata, which also includes thumbnails, and I mentioned it a lot of times on my YouTube channel. So I started by presenting you Canva, which was the main website for today, because I showed you how you can create some free designs related to anything, related to your YouTube thumbnail, YouTube channel art, which was the banner, and also the YouTube logo, which is going to be your profile picture. They are very important actually, because they are the first things that people see. They see the thumbnail when they click on the video. They see also your profile picture and YouTube channel banner when they visit your channel. That's why you need to find and create some good looking logos and also channel banner. So I showed you all of the features that Canva offers, all of the designs, templates, the plans, and also you're going to see and learn how you can create your YouTube channel banner from scratch, how you can create a YouTube thumbnail. I showed you the editor part where you can add different text, fonts, elements for anything. You can just search here on elements, on everything here that Canva offers. You can search for a keyword and it is going to give you the thing that you are looking for, and you can choose the one that you like. As you can see, I showed you how you can create a thumbnail, of course, which is very important, and this was related to my YouTube video for today. That's why I've written here how to create thumbnails. Then I showed you also how to create a YouTube channel banner from the templates that Canva offers itself. So you have a lot of categories over here that you can choose from. And I choose from the makeup category, as you can see, and I have edited like this. You're going to put the name of your YouTube channel, some photos related to that. So it depends on you. And this one looks pretty good actually. Also, beside that, I showed you how you can create a logo design, and it's pretty simple to create one. You have a lot of templates that you can get an idea from, but also you can do it from scratch. And I showed you that you can add different icons. You can just change the text, the color of it, the color of the background, and so on and so forth. It's pretty simple to use, and you can also make money with these designs, because if you create a design like this and you want to edit on a t-shirt or on a mug and so on, you can go over to Redbubble and you can click on sell your art. As I said before, Redbubble is a platform where you can come to buy different products with designs on it, but you can also create those designs and you can upload over to Redbubble, and when people buy a product with your design in it, you're going to get paid for that. And you can use Canva in order to create this design, and you can just deliver that to Redbubble, and they are doing all of the hard work. They are going to put the design on the product, they are going to do the delivery process, the customer service process, and everything, and you also going to get paid for doing that. So what I else showed you is that you can also have like design on mugs here, on t-shirts and so on. So if you want to create a design for a mug over at Redbubble, you can even come over to Canva and you can see how it's going to look like on a mug. So you can create your own design and then you can download it for absolutely free. And the thing is that Canva offers a lot of templates. If you want them to be unique, you can customize them a little bit, and you can change the colors, the text, and so on, so you can have a unique design over them. What I also showed you is that you can make money with Canva with their affiliate program. So they offer you affiliate program, so you can just get your affiliate link when you join for absolutely free. This is very important to mention. And then you can just find people that are going to be interested in using Canva, and you're going to get paid whenever your referrals are going to use Canva Pro. So they need to use Canva Pro for you to make like $36 for each new Canva Pro subscribers. So it's going to be very good actually, because you can make money in passive income, and that's the most important part, because maybe you don't want to create those designs in order to make money on Redbubble. Maybe you want to make some passive income and you want to do something else instead, and this is going to be like a good extra income for you. And as I said before, I'm even going to talk about this topic on this channel, so that's why I mentioned the Canva affiliates program today. So you can even you can just register for absolutely free. You're going to promote Canva and you can start earning. It's easy as that, and I'm going to support you through all of these steps. So you're going to get paid through PayPal or e-transfer. You're going to have a dashboard, we can track your results, and also they're going to have a priority support. This is very important actually, because you may be a beginner and you want support from Canva in order to start referring new members over here. What I showed you also is that Canva is very popular, and that is going to help you a lot. So whenever you refer new people over to Canva, they're going to see that this is loved by a lot of people and has a lot of great features, and you can get a lot of affiliate a lot of clicks on your affiliate link actually. So I also talked about the most important components when you are creating a YouTube video. For example, you need to find like video editing softwares. So you need to just search here on Google if you want, or you can use like Vegas Pro, the one that I'm using right now. You can even see some tutorials on YouTube to see how they work. So it depends on you on which one of these you are going to select. Then you're going to even search for the screen recorders for your computer, because you need one if you want to make like YouTube videos that are going to be about talking about different things on the internet. Because if you want to record like a website that you want to tell people about, you need a screen recorder for that. And once you create download one, and it may be even Bandicam that I suggested you today because it's for absolutely free, you can use that video and you can upload it on your editor. And then you're going to just cut the parts that you don't want to, delete them, and you can create your video, your unique project. So something else that I mentioned are like those websites that offers you free images, free videos that you can use for absolutely free without having any copyright issues. And for that purpose I suggest you pexels.com. You have even other ones here on Google, but you can just create one that you want. Because as you can see over here, some of the YouTube videos are using those videos or like pictures that they found over to these websites. And whenever you search for them, for example, you can search for money and go over to videos, you can download them for absolutely free, and we can even use them on your video that you are creating for YouTube. So it depends on you actually, on what your video is going to be about. You can search for anything here on the search bar, and they're going to give you a particular video or image for that keyword. You can download it for absolutely free. So I showed you some examples before. You just need to click on this arrow here and it's going to be immediately on your computer. So it's very easy to use actually, and you can just find the one that you want. You can implement them into your final project over here. So even you can find an introduction for your YouTube video, for example, and you can implement it on your video. So this is what I talked about today in this video. It's very important to me to mention that if you liked it, just support me by giving this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, because I really want to know if you like this video, and also what do you want to watch on the other videos as well. And if you subscribe with notifications on, of course you can get notified and you can see what the other video is going to be about. So just support me by subscribing with notifications on. And I'm going to see you soon with another video, but also I'm going to reply to all of your comments that are going to be about this video, but also about my channel in general. Thank you for watching.